What's up you guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how to allow or don't allow SMS permissions for applications on your Android device. That is quite simple and easy, so let's begin. And first go to your home screen, and once you are on home screen, open up your settings. In settings, scroll down until you find apps. And once you are on apps, click on the three dots icon and select Permission Manager. And there scroll down until you find SMS. Now there you see allowed or not allowed applications. So if you want to allow using SMS to that application, just get into it and select allow. And once you did that, just go back, and now you see that this application permissions for SMS is now allowed. To disallow, you might do the same thing, just select the application, tap don't allow, confirm that action, and now you turn off SMS permission for that specific application. Make sure you liked this video if it was helpful for you, and see you next time.